Top 8 natural foods for kidney function. In the world where maintaining optimal health is paramount, the significance of kidney function cannot be overstated. The key to promoting kidney health often lies in the foods we consume daily. This serves as a gateway to explore a curated list of 8 natural foods renowned for their positive impact on kidney function. This compilation aims to guide you towards dietary choices that support your kidneys, offering a proactive approach to overall well-being. Embark on a journey through the realm of wholesome nutrition. Discover these natural foods that can contribute to vitality and longevity of your kidney function. In this video, we will explore some of the healthiest foods that can play a pivotal role in revitalizing and cleansing your kidneys. So let's start. 1. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are like a refreshing gift from nature. First off, they are mostly water, and that's like a big drink for your kidneys. Keep them happily hydrated and working smoothly. Plus, they are super low in sodium, which is awesome for keeping your blood pressure in check, a win-win situation. But here, the real cool part is cucumbers are like little superheroes with their antioxidant powers. They are loaded with vitamin C and beta-carotene, kind of like your kidney's bodyguards. They swoop in the fight of these pesky free radicals, which can cause trouble for your kidneys. So think of cucumbers as your kidney's protective shield. Cucumbers have got these special compounds that are like natural firefighters for inflammation. If there is any inflammation going on, cucumbers come to the rescue. And this is a fantastic news for your kidneys because they don't like dealing with chronic inflammation. So whether you are tossing cucumbers in your salads, enjoying them as a snack, or even dropping a few slices on your water for that refreshing twist, just remember that cucumbers are like kidney's best buddies. 2. Watermelon. Watermelon is natural hydration buddy. It composes of nearly 90% water, which refreshes and hydrates your kidney. Adequate hydration is critical for your kidneys as it enhances their ability to produce urine, facilitating the removal of waste and toxins from your bloodstream. The high water content in watermelon also prevents excessive stain on your kidneys while filtering waste materials. Also, watermelon is rich source of vitamin C and lycopene, both of which possesses protein, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds safeguard your kidney against oxidative stress and aid in repairing any existing kidney inflammation and damage. Furthermore, watermelon contains cerulean, an amino acid used by your body to support better blood vessel health and help maintain healthy blood pressure level, which reduces the risk of kidney damage for high blood pressure. 3. Fish. First and foremost, fish is an incredible source of high-quality protein. This protein is essential for tissue repair, a critical function that directly supports the overall health and functioning of our kidneys. When we consume fish, we are not only enjoying a delicious meal, but we are also providing our kidney with the necessary building block for optimal performance. But here is where it gets even more exciting. Certain fish like salmon and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are like a secret weapon against inflammation, a major contribution to kidney damage over time. By regularly including omega-3s in your diet through fish, we are essentially creating a protective shield for our kidneys. Additionally, they help maintain stable blood pressure levels, which is absolutely crucial for overall kidney health. By choosing fish as a protein source, we are making a smart move. 4. Oats. While oats may not directly cleanse your kidney, they play an indirect role in supporting kidney health. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, which is inserted, dissolves in water, creating a gel-like substance in your stomach. This promotes a gradual release of sugar from your digestive system into your bloodstream, preventing sudden spike in blood sugar levels. High sugar levels can put extra strain on your kidneys, making this effective of oats particularly beneficial. Furthermore, the fiber content in oats aid in regulating blood pressure. Oats also contain magnesium and potassium, which when combined help relax blood vessels. These attributes collectively contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure level and indirectly supporting kidney health. While we carry on, please consider subscribing to my channel. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries, often referred to as nature's little marvel, are packed with an array of compounds that specifically benefit kidney health. Among their key attributes are their high level of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These powerful compounds are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are pivotal in maintaining kidney health. By a combination inflammation or oxidative stress, blueberries act as a natural defense mechanism for your kidneys. Furthermore, the natural compounds found in blueberries play a significant role in shielding your kidney from potential damage. They form a protective barrier, safeguarding these vital organs from harm, while also promoting overall wellness throughout your body. What makes blueberry even remarkable for your kidney health is their composition. With a low sodium content and high water content, they contribute to the maintaining of healthy blood pressure levels and fluid balance. This equilibrium is essential for ensuring that your kidney function optimally. By regulating blood pressure and fluid levels, blueberries actively support kidneys in their crucial role of filtering waste and excessive fluid from the body. Incorporating these delicious berries in your regular diet can have a substantial impact on maintaining your kidneys' well-being. You can enjoy blueberries on their own, mixed into a smoothie or a topping for your yogurt. 6. Cauliflower. Let's take a closer look at why cauliflower is such a standout choice for maintaining kidney health. First and foremost, cauliflower low potassium and phosphorus content make it a star player in the realm of kidney-friendly foods. These two minerals can place under stress on your kidney when consumed in excess, but optional for cauliflower, you are not just enjoying a tasty vegetable, but also lightening the load on the vital organs, helping them function optimally. But the benefit doesn't stop there. Cauliflower-rich fiber content is a win. It aids in digestion, indirectly supporting kidney function by consuming that waste and toxins are effectively eliminated from the body. Plus, a well-functioning digestive system contributes to overall well-being. These antioxidants are like your kidney bodyguard, defending them against inflammation and oxidative stress. These two troublemakers can lead to kidney damage over time, so having cauliflower in your canner is a valuable preventive measure. What is even better is that cauliflower is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you are roasting it for that delightful crispy texture, mashing it into a hearty side dish, or adding it to your stir fries for an extra crunch, there is no such in delicious way to enjoy cauliflower candy-loving benefits. 7. Carrot. Carrot contributes to overall kidney health due to their natural nutrients. It boasts a treasure trophy of antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, including your kidney, thereby promoting healthier kidney function. Carrots are also excellent source of potassium, crucial for maintaining a balanced profit in your body and essentially for optimal kidney function. Potassium has the added benefit of counterbalancing excessive calcium in your body, reducing the risk of calcium-based kidney stones. Moreover, potassium aids in relaxing blood vessels, regulating blood pressure, which is vital for preserving kidney health. Including carrots in your diet is a delicious and kidney-friendly option. 8. And lastly, dates. Dates serves as a natural sweetener, offering a satisfying solution for your sweet tooth without the harmful effects of adding sugars. When your kidneys are in good shape, they serve as natural cleansers for your body. Dates contain antioxidants like flavonoid and carotenoid, providing protective against harmful free radicals. In addition to their sweetness, dates are rich in essential nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Potassium and magnesium help regulate blood pressure and relax blood vessels, while vitamin B6 possesses anti-inflammatory property, aiding in kidney repair and damage prevention. You can enjoy dates in various delightful ways, from milkshake to date cake and mouth-watering pudding. It is crucial to note that individual dietary needs may vary, and consuming with a healthy care professional, especially for individuals with existing kidney condition. Additionally, maintaining an overall balanced diet, staying hydrated, and managing specific dietary restrictions are key factors to support your kidney health. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.